Ollis by Webster Architecture and Interiors stands as a testament to timeless design, a harmonious blend of aesthetic dynamism and purposeful construction. The home's white batten façade, meticulously crafted by shades, plays a pivotal role in creating an inviting contemporary sanctuary imbued with lasting resonance. The brief of this home was to create a comfortable, relaxed family environment, explains Daniel Webster, director of Webster Architecture and Interiors. You could almost see yourself with a white linen shirt, shorts, and bare feet walking around in the midst of summer. This vision of authenticity and ease permeates the entire structure, saturating the bright and breezy internal spaces with a calming ambience. The effortlessly integrated garden, designed by Nathan Burkett, enhances this serene atmosphere, blending the natural and built environments seamlessly. Acting as both a privacy screen and a light facilitator within internal spaces, the dynamic exterior of Ollis adds an element of refinement to the home while demanding minimal maintenance. Although the facade appears simple in form, it utilizes a diverse array of materials to create depth, unified through a consistent color palette. The light as it rises hits the facade, and you get that real play of light across the screens and the battens and the brickwork, which is a really beautiful frontage, says Daniel. This interplay of light and shadow enhances the home's aesthetic appeal, reinforcing its sophisticated yet understated elegance. Patrick Cummings, director of Shades, sheds light on the complexities behind the facade's design. This particular project was quite an interesting one because they had some very complex requirements for the front facade, he describes. Shades installed an aluminum shutter screening system across the facade, spanning approximately 8 meters wide and 3.5 meters tall. As I'm sure you can imagine, that does require significant consideration from a structural perspective, but also, importantly, that screen is a huge element of the overall aesthetic. Light plays an integral role within the interior spaces, naturally reflecting off the neutral color palette and oak timber flooring. The home's expansive northern orientation necessitated careful consideration to filter the predicted overbearing light. To address this, Shades fitted Ollis with sheer 100% linen curtains, a seamless intervention that aligns with the home's aesthetic while minimizing harsh light. A void within the main entrance of the building acts as a connecting pivot point between the upper and lower levels, also serving as a light well that channels light throughout the home. This design choice reinforces the connections between the home's interior and exterior spaces, enhancing the sense of openness and continuity. The neutral materials and color palettes allow the detailing layers of Ollis to shine. Because the palette in this home is quite simple, the detailing is really important, Daniel notes. The way that we've used battens in the front facade and then the sheet metal is just an example of what we had to consider from the start. It's a lot of those details where if they weren't executed right or detailed correctly, the intention would have been lost. The home's interiors are a masterclass in understated elegance, with each element carefully curated to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. The oak timber flooring, paired with a neutral color palette, provides a warm and welcoming foundation for the living spaces. Natural light floods the rooms, highlighting the refined craftsmanship and attention to detail evident in every corner of the home. The integration of the garden by Nathan Burkett further enhances the sense of tranquility within ollis. The garden's design mirrors the home's aesthetic, creating a seamless transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces. This connection to nature not only enhances the home's visual appeal, but also contributes to the overall sense of relaxation and comfort. One of the standout features of ollis is its ability to balance form and function. The white batten façade, while visually striking, also serves a practical purpose, acting as a privacy screen and facilitating light within the internal spaces. This thoughtful approach to design ensures that the home is not only beautiful but also highly livable, meeting the needs of a modern family. Throughout the home, the emphasis on natural materials and simple, clean lines creates a timeless appeal. The use of oak timber flooring, neutral color palettes, and sheer linen curtains all contribute to a sense of calm and sophistication. This attention to detail is what sets ollis apart, creating a home that is both elegant and inviting. The collaboration between Webster Architecture and Interiors and Shades has resulted in a home that is both structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing. The front facade of ollis is a testament to this, serving as a sophisticated addition to the home that is both purposeful and visually striking. This careful consideration of both form and function is what makes ollis a standout example of contemporary design.